Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you all a chutney recipe which will really boost up your collagen levels. Collagen is a protein which gives strength and elasticity to our bones and skin. As we age, especially for women who are in their perimenopause stage and postmenopause, there would be a decline of this collagen levels due to the drop of the estrogen hormone, resulting in bone weakness, and our skin would start losing its firmness, causing fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging. Though aging is a natural, biological process and no one can escape from this, we can delay the aging process and age gracefully with regular exercise and consume foods with lots of vitamin C, vitamin E, protein, calcium, zinc, and copper, which will boost up our collagen production. The king ingredient of this recipe is bell pepper or capsicum. Whenever we think of vitamin C, the fruits which comes to our mind are oranges and lemons. But capsicum has more vitamin C than the citrus fruits, especially the red and the yellow variety. The primary color of the bell peppers is green. As they ripe, they turn yellow and still ripens and they turn red. The yellow and red have more vitamin C and vitamin A than the green ones. Now come, let's make the chutney with this miracle vegetable. I've taken 100 grams of finely chopped green capsicum. You can also use red or yellow capsicum. Transfer them into a blender jar. To this add 10 grams of mint leaves and 10 grams of coriander leaves. Add 2 chopped green chillies. Add 3 grams of fresh ginger followed by 3 grams of garlic. Now add 20 grams of fried gram and lemon juice taken from half medium sized lemon. Lemon also is a good source of vitamin C. Now add 1/8 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, chaat masala powder half a teaspoon, cumin powder half a teaspoon, dry mango powder half a teaspoon, salt quarter teaspoon. Add water little by little and grind them to a fine paste. Bring it to chutney consistency, not so thick or runny. Now look at this, so greeny, smooth and perfect consistency. Our vitamin C rich collagen chutney is ready. You can use this chutney in your salads and sandwiches, or you can also use it as a dip, for your favorite snacks or grilled and tandoori dishes. Try to consume raw capsicum instead of cooking them to get those full nutrition. Friends, hope you like my video and my recipe. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video and my recipe, please hit a like, write your valuable feedback in the comment section and share this recipe with your family and friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana, signing off with lots of love.